Important flea species includes Tenocephalus canis, Tenocephalus fellis, Pulex irritans, Ceratophyllus, Econophagagalanisia, Tunga penetrans, Spinopsilus caniculi, under the family Pulicidae. So Tenocephalus canis, this is also known as dog flea. This mostly infect dog, cat and different other animals. Tenocephalus fellis, this is known as cat flea. This infests cat and dogs. Pulex irritans, the common name is human flea. They mostly infest man, dog, cat and different other animals. Janopsilla chiopis, this is very important flea species. They are also known as oriental rat flea or tropical rat flea due to their distribution in the oriental or tropical regions of the world. Econophagagalanisia, they are most commonly found on the comb and wattles of the birds along with different other animals, and they are considered as stick-tight flea or burrowing flea because they can burrow the skin of the host and stay over there. Tunga penetrans, this is very important for the man, and the common name of this flea is the jigger flea or the jigger flea or the sand flea. And another one, rabbit flea, this is Spilopsilus caniculi. They infest the ear of the rabbit along with different other animals. And under the Ceratophyllid family, there are a few important species. The first one is Ceratophyllus Gallini. This is one of the commonest poultry flea. Infest poultry and different other animals, including man. And Nosopsilus fasciatus, this is known as northern rat flea. This infests rodents, man, and different other animals.